Hello and welcome to 590 Country Glen Road in the heart of Cornell in Markham. This is a wonderful location to raise a family, close proximity to wonderful parks and schools. You're near the hospital and easy access to Highway 407 if you commute to Toronto. There are wonderful community centers in the area as well. This home is perfect for entertaining. There's a main floor with living and dining room and a large eating kitchen open to the family room with a gas fireplace with a walkout to the stone patio in the private backyard. On the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Your primary bedroom and bathroom are located on the same level as those other 2 bedrooms. And on the 3rd floor, there's an additional 4th bedroom and bathroom. This home also features a coach house. So it has an apartment above the garage, which is perfect for family or friends who are staying, or if you'd like to rent it out. Come inside and take a look.